finished well, but only during betting time. Bets are closed. Good luck. Let's get those numbers now. And especially lines, of course. Great. So what's the square around the number? What do you? Not sure what you mean. In the game?
Ano ba yan? Wala pang puro.
Hey guys,
Aray ko
let's check
naman,
out the
Larry.
multiplier. Oh, so instead of a circle, it's a square. You know, to be perfectly honest with you, I'm not sure. I can just guess right now. Okay, let's see the multiplier now. Maybe our
33
chat
kaya
box will help
50.
us with that. 10x here, that's the multiplier. Maybe that will finish a couple of lines for you or something. Anyways,
Ay, ilibig sana.
are you kidding me? We
Ano ba
have
yan? Ang
three
dami.
winners with 4 lines. 339 with 3 lines. Man, what a juicy round. 169 with the multiplier. Over 350 winners in total. Betting time. Our chat mods maybe could help us out with that. I've never had that question before. I read the rules quite a while ago. I can't remember. What is a square? Differ from a circle? I know. My guess is maybe that if you get that number, maybe it finishes 2 lines right away on a card. I don't know. It says square means you need that number to complete the line. I mean, it definitely completes the line, right? But what's the difference between a circle? That's the question. Hey,
Damot-damot
let's see the
naman ito.
multiplier now. 12 with
Yan.
X.
Tirahin mo yung mga puro ko.
I gotta check it out. I've never heard that. Alright guys, 25 that make a ball with that 12x.
Baho mo.
40 winners with that 12x. We got 8 winners with 3 lines and that 285
Mamusin na natin.
winners with, in total. Yeah,
Baho
in
na,
total.
baho.
Now, betting time, I put your cards up. There we got a few seconds remaining, alright?
Walang signal. Okay, 19. Yan. Sige, puruhin mo pa. Ano ba yan? Yan, 26. 26. O kaya 2. Yan lang, may puro isa. Ay, marami pala. Yung isa lang. Sige, diyan ka umano. 5x. Bullshit, yun pa. Whatever.